Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass. Happy New Year, we are back in 2023 and today we've got some new iPhone accessories. This video is going to cover everything that you need for your brand new iPhone 14. Now this is going to cover everything from the screen protector, case, wireless charger, battery pack, so let's take a look. And a massive thank you to Banks for sending out all of these products, and of course they will be linked in the description down below. So first up we have the Ultra Shield matte screen. Now, although the installation file corrupted when I was filming it, the Ultra Shield comes with a great auto-align, hassle-free, bubble-free installation. Now, you will have to take my word for it because, like I mentioned, the file itself did corrupt. I did film the installation side of things. It was super quick and super simple, but unfortunately you guys don't get to see that. But I will find another video, link it in the description of the installation process so you can see just how simple it is. And once it's on, having a look over the screen, as you can see, it does have a matte finish to it, which is really great at protecting against fingerprints and of course glare from direct light. And that paired with the iPhone 14 Pro super bright screen makes outdoor viewing that much better. It also has some really great coverage going edge to edge. Now there is also a bit at the very top for the dynamic island, which as you can see it does still look glossy, and that's because of all of the sensors through there. Now at first I thought this was going to be a cutout and it would pick up a load of dust, but it's actually not. It's built directly into the screen protector. It just has a glossy section at the top for your front facing camera and all of your Face ID sensors. And of course the Ultra Shield matte works with any case you can think of, whether it's a snap on the back style case or a slightly thicker, more protective case that comes up over the screen, you're not going to have any issues at all. Speaking of cases, we have the MagClap Blitz Pro cooling case, or to make it simpler, the gaming case. And what we have here is a full protection case, which means it covers all around the edges of the phone, goes up over the screen slightly and also protects the cameras around back. You of course have all your cutouts along the bottom to access your lightning port and the speaker cutouts, and you have your cutout on the left hand side for the silent switch. Like most full coverage cases though, you wouldn't get your fingernail in there, but it's not too bad. And the buttons on this case are actually really great and tactile. They are metal and they are super clicky. You're going to have no issue changing the volume or getting quick access to your Apple Wallet with these buttons. The front, back and also side protection is great and everything is going to be protected. You've also got a raised section around the back of the case here as well to protect those really important camera humps. You also have slightly lifted back corners, which means if the phone itself is going to be camera side down on a desk, it's not really going to move around all that much compared to without having a case on there at all. Lay on the table for the front of the phone is also great with another lip all the way around the screen. So if you're one of those slightly crazy people that puts your phone face down, you're not going to have any problems at all. And like I mentioned, this case also works extremely well with the Ultra Shield screen protector for all around protection. Now the case also features freeze matte technology, which is all of these grooves and cutouts around the back, which helps to spread the heat of your device when you're playing a really graphics intense game. Now I don't have the numbers, but playing a game like Apex Legends for a long period of time, the phone didn't necessarily heat up as much as it would do without a case or with another case that doesn't have these cutouts. And of course, as you can see from this ring around the back, the actual MagClap case is fully MagSafe compatible, which leads nicely onto the MagClap On-Go power bank. And there's not really much to say about this one. It's a slim, soft-touch, USB-powered battery pack with LEDs to let you know the remaining power. The magnets are strong with or without a case, and it will work with all MagSafe compatible cases, including the one that we're looking at today. It's 5000 mAh, meaning you get a full charge of the iPhone 14 Pro and then some. However, the main issue with the battery pack is the fact that it charges with USB Type-C. Now, normally that's something that I don't necessarily complain about. I think moving forward in 2023, pretty much every product, maybe including the new iPhone, should also be USB-C powered. However, while it still has the lightning cable on there, it would be nice to have a lightning connector on the battery pack as well, so you only need to carry around one cable, one for the iPhone and for the battery pack itself, as opposed to having two separate charging solutions. And like I mentioned, not much more to say. It's a battery pack, it does the job, it's slim, fits really nicely, and it's not going anywhere with MagSafe, so all around, pretty good. However, if you want a more permanent solution like a MagSafe charger at home, we then have the MagClap cooling wireless charger. Now this is for all the gamers out there and pairs great with the case that we looked at a moment ago. As well as having all of the standard features of MagSafe like really good connectivity, the magnets around the back, it also features the full 15 watts of power that the iPhone can take wirelessly when it's charging. So what that means is if you're playing games for long periods of time and yes your battery's going down, the 15 watts of charging is hopefully going to keep it at the same level or slightly increase it as you're playing games for longer periods. But of course the cool part of this is the integrated fan with RGB for that real gamer look. Now the fan isn't just for looks, it does have a purpose. It's a semiconductor cooler with 7 blades for fast cooling at your fingertips. Now, the website states that it dissipates heat in around 3 seconds once turned on. Again, I don't have the exact numbers for that, however, just using the phone day to day and using it for those gaming sessions, this fan, although a little bit bulky and sometimes loud, does a really great job at keeping your phone cool. Now, on the standard 14 Pro or smaller devices in general, it can be a little bit big, but you can always use that as a stand and then get your wireless controller maybe. You also have great looking RGB in the fan, which looks super cool when it's in use. The MagClap cooling case also comes with a magnet for use on other devices, and see my MagSafe on any device video for more information on that. And that's going to do it guys for this video. Now, like I mentioned, this was more of an iPhone accessories video, but also maybe for the gamer out there as well. So if you know someone, again, everything will be linked in the description down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so. Heading into 2023, we've got tons of new content coming up. So once you hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you're notified anytime I post a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Again, Happy New Year, and I will catch you guys in the next video.